It's time to reclaim the narrative of mental health, not just as the removal of stress, but as something we commit to, we strive for, we nurture within ourselves and others, so we don't stop at, okay, I can cope, but we actually seek to thrive. The Leader's Guide to Resilience will give you practical and easy to apply tips to maintain a state of positive well-being every single day, to strengthen your emotional health so you can buffer and withstand the curveballs that life throws. Unlock your mental fortitude and personal power to not simply survive crisis, but rebuild and then thrive. These tools will not just help you succeed, but actually help you do so beyond conventional achievement. So join me with 3 exceptional speakers: John Goldwyn, who is Senior Vice President of WATG, as well as Director of Planning and Landscape, and he wrote the foreword to the book. Award-winning coach, Sharon Lawton. Professional Development Manager, Heather Carr. And we are all being introduced by Wellbeing Champion, Elsa Arnold. There are 2 sessions you can join. They are both streamed online. The Kuala Lumpur launch is at 4 p.m. Malaysia time and 9 a.m. UK time on Sunday, the 4th of April. And that's so exciting because it is part of the Kuala Lumpur Book Fair. The links are below, so you can just click on that. It is streamed live on Facebook, as well as a Zoom link for the session itself. And then on the 7th of April, hosted by John Smith Bookstore, is the UK launch, and that is at 2 p.m. GMT. And again, you can sign up and register for your place. They are free events, and we are going to be giving you not only the tools that we think are going to help, but the very ones we use ourselves. Join us and get ready to grow.